Alright guys, here we are again. So I have this thing tied to the boom, so if I have to drop it for a second to tack, just letting you know in advance, it could happen. Anyway, yeah, we've been getting a really good amount of wind today. It settled down a little bit. Earlier it was kind of insane. But see maybe the wake behind me. So we got some wind coming up here pretty soon. Yep, here it goes. Picking up the wind. Pretty awesome. Yeah, a windsurfer passing us. I see him right there. Yeah. Oh, here we go. They're racing now. Good solid 10 knots, I suspect. Just angling my rudder, trying to find that good wind. And it's not like I'm stopped in the water for sure. I'm definitely going really damn fast, particularly right now. There we go. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. You hear that wind rattling through the sails. Yeah, hoofing it pretty good. But if I really want to fly this thing, I probably better drop the foam so that I can, move the sheets and things. However, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a lot of fucking fun. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna sign off.